factor tree of 261. So 261, it can be written as 3 times 87. 3 times 87 means 261. 87, it can be written as 3 times 29. 3 times 29 means 87. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 3, 3 and 29. So we can write 261 is equal to the product of all these prime numbers, that is 3, this 3 and this 29. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.